What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are starting a new project, and well, you might have saw the thumbnail. We are doing another Porsche 911 GT3 RS kit from Tamiya. I already did an unboxing video on this kit about a year ago when I did my first one. Check out that video if you're interested. But let's go ahead and show you my plans on this one. So this kit was actually sent to me last year from Sam over at Splash Paints. He wanted me to do this one up, and he sent me a specific color for this one to do it in and stuff, and I got some detail sets for it. So my last one I built was the green one, which was, I forgot what it was called, acid green I think it was. That thing was pretty cool, and I added this kit to it as well, which is the zoom on detail photo edge set to it. This is pretty cool. So I got another one. I purchased two before zoom on can't ship to the US. I'm not sure about now, but this is a really cool set. It includes like disc brakes. There's disc brakes up here, all the grill mesh. You got some seat belts, you got pedals and stuff in here. So it's really cool. You do get a little plaque for your display case. It's really neat with the photo edge set. So we got that going for it. And also with that, we do have another SK decals. Not photo edge, this is their carbon fiber decal sheet. Includes all of the carbon fiber necessary for the car, like the hood, the roof, the spoiler, because the kit carbon fiber is a little bit out of scale, but this one was much better. It's already pre-cut for you, so it's pretty cool. So your hood, your roof, you get your roll cage for your interior, your seat backs, you can have your mirrors for your mirror carbon fiber. It's really cool, and it includes GT3 RS on the side, which is carbon fiber as well if you want to use that. But yeah, it's really cool decal sheet. Definitely do recommend it, and there is a little decal placement for your interior seats. Here's your roll cage, all that good stuff, and then tells you about the roof and stuff. So really cool from SK Decals. They have that. Skidmore Sports has it too, but you do have to cut those out individually. So the car that I'm doing, we do have this one from Studio 227 with the green and orange. So you can do two cars with this decal sheet, and check them out. So you can do the white with the green, which is really cool. The green wheels, that's pretty sexy. But the one we're gonna be doing is the golf one, which is this one right here. And this one has a lot of orange. You get the orange stripe for the GT3 RS on the door. And you do have little stripes over here and stuff. It's really cool. You do have your roof, and again, you do use the carbon fiber. So you get the carbon fiber hood and stuff, roof. So it's really cool. So there's a lot of orange, even on the wheels. And the mirrors is pretty cool. So that is going to be the one we'll be doing. Here's the wheel ones. I already know that's going to be a pain, but we can definitely get through it. And there's your mirrors and stuff. So pretty cool. You get your GT3 RS on the side, RS for the spoiler up here. So pretty cool. So that's the one we'll be doing. Sam has agreed. So he has sent me the 917 blue. This is basically the golf blue, 917 golf blue, light golf blue. So really cool. It's the only thing that I need for this, because again, all the orange is all decals. So really neat. So Sam got me this, and then for this being all Splash Paints build, he did send me his clear coat, so we'll be using his clear coat on this one. So really cool, because I'll use my 2K clear, which is finished one, but this is basically the same stuff. It's automotive, so pretty cool. So we're doing this one all Splash Paints. But that's pretty much about it. Let's go ahead and open it for you guys to show you guys some contents. I mean, again, if you want more like in-depth detail on this kit, check out my unboxing video on this kit. I did about a year ago, like I mentioned. But amazing kit. I can't say enough about this kit. It's really incredible. It's from Tamiya. It's just absolutely amazing, fantastic kit. Everything just fits so well. Here is your body. Now, what I do remember is the only thing you can glue onto your body before paint is this little piece right here in front of your wheel well. That's pretty much about it. Your ducktail has to stay separate, because you do have black parts that goes in there and stuff. You can't glue on your bumpers at all, because that there's black parts that has to go in there. Beautiful clear parts that fit beautifully. And then yeah, so there's a lot of parts in this kit. I can't remember exactly, but I did mention it on my unboxing video. So but here is your black tree. You get your interior, there's your roll cage and stuff. It's a really good decal or kit. I mean, you got your brakes right there, and your brakes do rotate inside your discs, wherever your discs are at, and your discs stay still, which is really cool. So if you do roll this thing, the you know, the discs actually roll with the wheels, and your calipers, that's why it stays put. It's really cool. There is your chassis and stuff, front clip. So just amazing kit. Mine has really outdone themselves in this kit. It's just such a beautiful kit. There is your mode transfers for your mirrors and your surrounds for your windows and for your headlights and stuff. So really cool. And there is your decals. So we're going to open this. We'll show you the decals, and I'll show you the thickness on the carbon fiber. It's not right. As you see, yeah, see, it's kind of big. It's a little bit too big. I'm not sure what Tamiya was thinking when they made that, but that's the only thing. That's the only downfall on this decal sheet is just the carbon fiber. But everything else is beautiful. You get the dark blue, metallic dark blue, black, red, and you got silver GT3 RS badges. Of course, there's the aftermarket, like I mentioned, got the blue here and stuff. So really cool. But yeah, this is a really absolutely fantastic kit. And then the instructions, just I really do recommend you guys get this kit. It's really awesome. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much about it. So this video and this build series is pretty much sponsored by Splash Paints. Check him out. He has automotive paints ready. It's all airbrush ready paint. Amazing paint. I use pretty much all his paints. He sends me his paints and stuff all the time. But this one is basically completely sponsored by him because he sent me the kit last year, and then we're doing this one for him. And this kit will be actually displayed at his booth later on this year, because I'll be going to a show where he's going. Well, spoiler alert, October. So if you know what October show that is, you might know, because I'll be going there this year, and Sam's going, and this build will be only displayed at his booth. I'm not going to enter it into the show. So we're going to display it on his booth only, and yeah, so pretty cool. But alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll get started on this, and we'll catch you guys next time.